Hi, in this video, we'll show how Timbr's Excel NLQ add-in empowers users to expedite data retrieval by using natural language to create complex SQL queries. For our example, we'll retrieve data from a Crunch-based database stored in MySQL. To get started, you can add the Timbr NLQ add-in from Excel's add-in store, or from the organization's admin-managed add-ins, like in my case, where we use the Office 365 Enterprise Edition. Next, we'll connect to Timbr by entering our environment URL and user token, which can be found on the Timbr environment welcome page. Once connected, we'll select the Crunch-based knowledge graph that we previously created and map to the MySQL database, as can be seen here. Now for the magic. Let's retrieve data for analysis by asking a complex question. Find financial organizations with the country code USA that made an investment in a funding round of a biotech company that had an IPO. As we type, Timbr's NLQ autocomplete suggestions guide us, helping us build the query in seconds. Once ready, we click Run, and Timbr translates our input into a SQL query, instantly displaying the data in Excel. So how exactly does Timbr make this happen? In this case, from the text entered, Timbr NLQ generated an error-free 39-line semantic SQL query using Timbr's relationships. Behind the scenes, the actual SQL query sent to MySQL spans 280 lines and includes multiple joins. Timbr handles all the complexity for us, making the process faster and much easier. Give it a try and experience the power of Timbr NLQ. Thanks for watching and have a great day.